Do you know you can actually renegotiate your mortgage? That is the money that you went to the bank to collect to buy that house that you bought. You can actually renegotiate that mutuo, and they will reduce the interest rate that you're supposed to pay back to the bank. Yes, the Italians, they call it mutuo Surroga. So how does it work? For instance, you went to a bank to collect 80,000 to buy a house. Maybe at that time you don't know the meaning of interest rate, or maybe because you were under pressure, you were not interested in the interest rate, or maybe because that period the market value for house was very high, so the bank decided to give you that 80,000 and they decided to give you with an interest rate of 3.6%. Now that you've bought the house, now the market value of house has reduced, or now you are no longer under pressure, or now you now know the meaning of interest rate. Now you can go back and renegotiate that interest that you are supposed to pay back to the bank and see how you can reduce it. So before I continue, I want to beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is at Henry TV Station. Please just subscribe to also encourage me. And in that channel, I have most of my videos there. So for those of you that are always looking for my videos, when you go there, it is easier to get some of my videos. I have more videos there and more detailed, longer video that will explain some certain things that you might want to understand. Thank you. Now, what you will do is that you go to the internet and search for other banks that might have lower interest rates at this particular time. So if you can be able to see one, fine, or you can move from one bank to another to tell them that you want to do what they call mutuo Surroga. So they will do the whole system, they will do the whole calculation for you and tell you, okay, this 80,000 that you collected from this so and so bank, if you bring this money back to our bank, we'll be able to give you with an interest rate of about 3%. So let's say the first bank gave you that 80,000 for 3.6%, and you're supposed to pay it for 25 years, meaning you will be paying 121,000 back for that 25 years. Now that you now have this new bank that is ready to take that mortgage from the old bank for 3%, and you're supposed to pay for 25 years, this bank now you are going to be paying about 113,000. You see that you have been able to save yourself about 8,000 euros. So this is just a rough calculation to give you an idea of how it works. So what are you going to do? Go to that new bank, go to that bank that you saw that have a lower interest rate. Maybe because your friend bought a house there with a very low interest rate, so you can still visit there, tell them to do mutuo Surroga for you. So they'll tell you to bring the house documents and every other document that the notario gave to you when you went to do the deal of transfer. You will take it to this new bank. They will help you do the whole calculation again, which most bank is free of charge. So they'll help you do the whole calculation again and tell you the amount of interest they are going to collect from you. So if it is lower, far lower than the one that the bank that gave you the money to buy that house gave you, then you'll be able to transfer all that mortgage to this new bank, and you'll be able to save yourself some thousands of euros. It is legal. Thank you, and God bless you.